Whatever you say, Marshall. You do, after all, have the drop. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Andrew, and today I'm going to be showing you an Old West gun spinning trick known as the road agent spin. Now, it might look a little difficult and it might take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's like riding a bike. So if you follow me along, I hope you enjoy. Now, the road agent spin is a sleight of hand move that's meant to draw the odds back in your favor, even though somebody might have had the drop on you. You might have seen this move in the movie The Outlaw Josie Wales, starring Clint Eastwood, and it is even said that John Wesley Hardin used this move to get the drop on Wild Bill Hickok. Now, Mr. Hardin was a bit of a storyteller and liked to exaggerate some of the tales that he told his fellow outlaws, but today I'm going to show you how to do it. So, first things first, take your pistol, you put it in a safety, and make sure that thing has no live rounds in it. Safety first. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to get a close-up here. Take your pistol, butt first. This is what we call surrendering. But if you look closely of how my hand is positioned on the gun itself, you're going to hook your index finger onto that trigger guard. And I'm going to show you, it's going to be a slower motion so you guys can catch on real quick. So the motion is, open up your hand, the gun goes with it, and it just comes up. Just like that. Really simple. Now, it is better to use a real firearm or a actual weighted firearm that replicates an actual firearm, because you want that weight distribution to work in your favor. So when it comes down and comes up, you don't want the thing to be front heavy, back heavy, whatever the case. So it's quick. And that is how you do the road agent spin. Now remember everybody, it is a sleight of hand and it takes a little bit of time to get used to, but I learned it and I have jittery hands, so it shouldn't be a problem for any of you. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like any of the content that I produce, hit the subscribe button. And I also am part of a group that explores and goes on adventures and looks around the forgotten parts of the earth known as the A38s, and I will leave a link to that YouTube channel down in the description. So that's it for me today, and I'll see you with another video at some point. Bye. Look at that. You can see Buffalo Bill on my gun.